it gets a bit more dramatic on the way. So I have a special soundtrack for this. We're gonna listen to some Viking music, okay? So let's listen to Viking music and enjoy the view. Fans on board?
Sure.
Star Wars fans?
Star Wars, yeah.
Yeah? Do you remember Rogue One?
Yeah.
No? Yes? So, first scenes were filmed around that mountain over there. I guess something is going on. Oh, good.
وصلنا كتلتنا الجليدية اللي راح ندخل في الكهف حقه. المرشد يقول ليش نلبق سيارتنا زي كذا، علشان لو حصل أي شيء صار في ثوران للبركان ولا على طول يمدينا نهج الهجة. الله يستر.
And eventually, after many years, turns into ice. Yeah, it requires around 8 to 10 meters of snow to create 1 cubic centimeter of ice. Yeah, quite a lot. And then it takes 800 years for that ice from the top to get down to the valley. Yeah, like a cake dough, very slowly. Some say it can be even like 30 centimeters, 1 feet per day. Yeah, but usually it's much slower. So, right now, because of rising temperatures, this glacier melts faster than it grows. So, 2-3 years ago, the glacier was somewhere here, and 10 years ago, it was where we parked our car. So, most likely, at the end of this century, at least those outer glacier is going to be gone. So, let's enjoy it while we can. It also means no ice caves, yeah? Another thing, in this particular zone, we have something called quicksands or sinkholes. So if you wish to have your own sinkhole named after you, then you can run freely. If not, let's walk more or less in one line, okay? There's one near to the cave, which is called Parker's sinkhole, because Parker from Texas discovered it. Take small steps, soft legs, small steps, like penguins, yeah. Ice cave looks like this, yeah. In the very end it's just an arch, yeah. It's gonna collapse, and then it's gonna melt all over, and then in the end it's just a pail of volcanic ash, yeah. In the midsection you're gonna see the proper ice cave, and in the very end of it, service. You do? So, those guys and a few others are responsible for the maintenance of the place, yeah? So they do a very important job. They come in the morning, they check every screw, all the ropes, and if it's necessary, they have to move the bridges to the other places. It's hard work. Okay, keep going. Just remember to hold to the rope, yeah?
Oh, I so want to play that time.
Hey!
خرب الجبال.
Who wants to taste?
I do.
Yes, of course.
Oh, I'm sure.
Icelandic lollipops, yeah?
سرق ثلجه.
الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم نزل عليك الكتاب بالحق مصدقا لما بين يديه وأنزل التوراة والإنجيل من قبل هدى للناس وأنزل الفرقان إن الذين كفروا بآيات الله لهم عذاب شديد والله عزيز ذو انتقام إن الله لا يخفى عليه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء هو الذي يصوركم في الأرحام كيف يشاء لا إله إلا هو العزيز الحكيم هو الذي أنزل عليك الكتاب منه آيات محكمات هن أم الكتاب وأخر متشابهات فأما الذين في قلوبهم زيغ فيتبعون ما تشابه منه ابتغاء الفتنة وابتغاء تأويله وما يعلم تأويله إلا الله والراسخون في العلم يقولون آمنا به كل من عند ربنا وما يذكر إلا أولو الألباب